The new era of Web 3.0 medical data economy is here. Welcome to DeHealth, AI and medical database decentralized app where medical data performance innovation starts.
Welcome to DeHealth. This video has two parts. The first one is about our project, DeHealth, its participants and potential in brief. The second part of the video is dedicated to the DeHealth Web App and its functionality. The next 15 minutes will definitely answer all questions about what we do and what is our value. Let's start from the beginning. DeHealth stands for Decentralized Healthcare. It's a new era of Web3 medical data economy that penetrates every area of the healthcare industry. We believe that the healthcare industry should rely first of all on big data and AI, followed by telemedicine, online services, and medical services. DeHealth is already an international brand and group of companies with headquarters in the UK and research centers around the world, from the US to New Zealand, Israel, and Ukraine. In a certain sense, we can claim that, in a good way, we create revolutionary services and products for healthcare. Just like once upon a time Amazon, Uber, Airbnb, and Spotify became disruptors in their industries, now DeHealth acts as a hotspot in the healthcare industry. Our main product is web application based on AI, ML, and big medical data. This is decentralized application, or dApp, that allows users to securely and autonomously store their medical and lifestyle data in one storage, share, manage, and monetize it using our health token, DHLT, supporting their health and wealth while selling their anonymized data legally and securely. DHLT network is a decentralized storage for data and digital assets. We use private EVM-based blockchain with proof of authority consensus mechanism. DeHealth's mission is to make healthcare more efficient by building a Web3 platform for medical data. With DeHealth, all people, regardless of country and income, get equal access to healthcare. Why choose DeHealth? First of all, users get decent rewards for selling their depersonalized data, a sort of royalty. To sell their data, users do not need to take any specific actions. I'll show later how this works directly in the application. All vital data about users' health is stored securely in a single digital system. Data buyers, in their turn, receive all the necessary information to make their products or services better. Moreover, that information, data, is valid, verified, structured, and updated. The image demonstrates exactly how unstructured data looks and works. But as soon as we can sort it right way, there is a story behind that data that can describe an individual's state of health, predict certain diseases, or even prevent death, and in this way, improve the global healthcare industry. Let's skip an explanation about how it works, as I will explain later, but for now, let me describe a little about DeHealth ecosystem actors. Users, or data owners, are individuals who passed an identification on the web application. What are these users' challenges? Foremost, people don't have ownership of their data. As patients, they do not benefit from the sale of their personal medical information, while that information is sold by clinics, labs, and governments. Till now, there was no global solution that allows to store and track an individual's medical history from birth, meaning people spend time and money for repeated tests, doctor's visits, etc. The second type of DeHealth ecosystem actors are data buyers, pharmaceutical companies, insurance companies, beauty brands, dietary supplements, vitamin and mineral manufacturers, and so on. The data market is valued in tens of billions annually, and DeHealth claims to be the leader in the data supply chain. You can learn about the challenges and appraise DeHealth's solution in terms of value that data buyers gain with us. Data suppliers are the third type of actor in the DeHealth ecosystem. If we get closer and learn how DeHealth works, it appears that users can upload to their unique DeHealth IDs only personal and lifestyle data as well as previous health records. But up-to-date and verified medical data are generated only by hospitals, labs, medical gadgets, while users can allow medical data suppliers to upload data to their DeHealth ID. Thus, with DeHealth ID, users are able to collect, store, and share their data with third parties. Important, because users can't change their medical data, the quality of that information is tremendously high, and this is very important for data buyers or consumers. Requests from them for data might be various. For example, how many users had COVID-10 and got treatment with drug X? That request gets to DHLT network, blockchain, where depersonalized data is already stored. While DeHealth ID provides users with data storage on local servers of the country the user is from, users' depersonalized data is also stored in DHLT network. Via API calls and with DHLT tokens, data consumers can get the data they need. Now we work on data consumer functionality while the rest is already working. The main purpose is to create a convenient dashboard for easy interaction with the DeHealth application. According to our business model, each request for medical data purchase supposes a 20% fee from data selling for a verified medical data supplier, while the data owner receives a 50% fee, and this is one of the main points of DeHealth's financial attractiveness for ordinary people, WEB3's core. DeHealth is honored to have as advisor Philippe Jurwal, Novody's ex-top manager, and in a certain way, together with this pharma giant, we design data structure and approaches to what big pharma companies call quality data. DeHealth works according to global security standards, information security, cybersecurity, and legal security. Users verify data from a medical data supplier. DeHealth doesn't sell any data, this happens only with the user's permission. A few words about DHLT token. It's used in the DeHealth ecosystem as an economic incentive to motivate users to look after their health, upload more data to DHLT network, as more data means more data buyers, and, as well as this, it's the source for neural network that will act as the user's personal assistant. It's a win-win strategy. DHLT token is also used as a reward for data selling, and some sort of gamification. We launched DeHealth Web Application on August 31, 2022, and attracted more than 70,000 users in only 2 months from 80 countries, 71% of which return to the application and interact with data and token. As I already mentioned, the data market is valued in tens of billions annually, and the range of data consumers is pretty wide. Among our partners there are industry leaders such as Chainlink, Polygon, and Hacken. We integrated Visa and MasterCard that simplify tokens purchasing. Among governmental partners, the Ministry of Health of Ukraine that is supposed to make it possible for 30 million citizens to have a medical passport. DeHealth ID, as well as legally and securely sell depersonalized data. Cyber Police is also among partners as we follow the highest security standards and constantly share best practices, up-to-date news and technologies. You can also see our crypto and business partners. We are really proud of our advisory board, which includes great minds from pharma, tech, and legal fields. DeHealth is owned by 2 founders, Denis Tsveg and Anna Bondarenko. The team behind us is truly decentralized and international. Now let's explore our web application. In 2023 there will be a mobile app, while at the moment users are welcome to join DeHealth via the web version. The first metaverse screen suggests the user to log in or register in the app. Registration starts from choosing the country, as all users' data, according to HIPAA, GDPR and other standards, is stored on the country's local servers. Next step, to register, most commonly using Google, Apple or email verification. If I'm already registered, I'll log in using my MetaMask. Registration takes 1 minute and is easy for everyone, from engineers and housewives to students and economists. Once you're registered, you'll be forwarded to your unique DeHealth ID. For each complete step, the user is rewarded with DHLT tokens. DeHealth collects the next types of data: personal health data, height, weight, allergies, and so on, social data and medical data. Let me fill in my social data to show how the system adds tokens on the user's balance. Bonus tokens appear in reward balance. Available for claim means token amount that can be forwarded to my wallet balance. Tokens that appear on reward balance act as inner bonus, while tokens from wallet balance appear in blockchain. To interact with tokens, the user has to integrate MetaMask. Here's a quick glimpse into the main dashboard. Main balance also appears here. As I mentioned, tokens can be purchased by Visa and MasterCard, on CEX Bitmart and on DEX PancakeSwap. For example, to purchase tokens by Visa and MasterCard, the user will need from 5 to 7 minutes. Indicate the amount in US dollars or euro to convert into tokens. Liquidity is provided by CEX. On step 4, the user will have to pass KYC, Know Your Customer procedure, and provide photo and passport. This is necessary first of all for the user as we work with digital assets. Next time purchasing tokens will happen much quicker, around 90 seconds. That's how my DeHealth ID looks. A unique number that can be personalized by adding photo, address, etc. In the future, we'd like the DeHealth ID to become an international medical passport, be valid in different countries, allow people from around the world to store their health records in one place, and benefit from quick access wherever they are, and whatever the circumstances. The DeHealth ID consolidates the user's personal and lifestyle data as well as medical and health records, just like Google Cloud we're already used to. The more data a user enters, the more DHLT tokens they receive on their balance, and more attractive their profile appears for data buyers. More opportunities to earn presupposes the ability to use DeHealth staking program to receive passive income, up to 50% per annum in DHLT. As you can see, I participate in several staking programs. It's just like a deposit, from a 30-day plan with 10% per annum to the most profitable, 360 days, with 50% per annum. Let's choose it. I indicate the amount of tokens I want to stake. To be able to do this, I need a positive tokens balance. The system at once indicates how much I'll earn in a year, and my income per day. To finalize the procedure, I need to use MetaMask to confirm the transaction in blockchain. The dashboard also has settings that assumes the ability to delete the account. Also, the user can choose the language of the interface, with more languages being added. Let's explore 2 use cases of medical data sharing. For example, I had my lung X-ray in a clinic which isn't integrated via API to DeHealth, but I want that test to be uploaded to my DeHealth ID. First of all, I can copy the link that is viral for 30 minutes, share it with the clinic's administrator, Elise, by email, and get the medical representative to fill in all the necessary fields with corresponding data. There is no need for the medical entity representative to register anywhere or download the app. This is a seamless integration between the medical institution and patient, which allows the patient as easy as with a QR code or airdrop to receive vital health data to their DeHealth ID. At the same moment, the results from the medical institution are saved via the link. They appear in the user's DeHealth ID and the corresponding health card, as well as details such as doctor's name, clinic or lab or hospital brand, data and the time the data was uploaded, and from which IP address, and the ability to explore the data itself. It's necessary to mention that data like this is still stored on the DeHealth local server. After DeHealth, data scientists verify all the data from the medical data supplier. In the case of successful verification, data is uploaded to the DHLT network, to blockchain. This is done to avoid transfer of false information, as in blockchain it's impossible to change any data once it's uploaded. The second use case is a reverse situation. Let's imagine I travel from New York to London and have to visit a local doctor. I anticipate a request to share my previous health story, in particular my lung X-ray, and is resolved by choosing the data I want to share and sending via email to the doctor. The link is also permanent for secure issues. No need for the doctor to register anywhere or download any app. However, the data that is received is structured and comprehensive enough for further treatment. In future, we'll add filters, tags, translations to local language, as well as medical language. Doctors will be able to go through tests and their origins, analytics, prescriptions, etc. There is no global analog to DeHealth as we are constantly developing the product and its features to make it clear enough for each ecosystem actor. Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy.